Hi, I'm Priscilla from Star Buddies. This session I'm going to teach you dumbbell rows. Dumbbell rows work your back, okay, your rear delt, and your bicep. All right? Women, you will love this exercise. You want a pretty back for all your halter tops and your bathing suits. For us that live in Florida. Okay, I want you to get your knee on the bench. You're going to put your hand flat. Your rear end is tight. Your back is flat. I always tell my clients to pretend that I can put a cup of coffee on your back. I want it that flat, no cat raising, okay? Flat back, leg is straight, knee is bent, glutes are tight. You're gonna reach down, gonna pick up this weight. Reach down, head forward, explode up, squeeze, down slow, do it again. Explode up, squeeze, do it again. Okay, this is your positive. You always want to pause it for a 1 count, minimally 1 count, and go down. Do it again. Squeeze, pause, and down. Okay, positive, pause, down is your negative. I want you to do 15 reps on that side. Take a minute break. We're going to move over here. You're going to do the same thing. Put your legs, your knee on the bench, leg is straight, hand is flat, my back is flat. Remember, no cat raising. If you feel your back raising off the bench, remember to push your chest down into the bench. Pick up the weight, explode up, squeeze, and down. Do it again. Explode up, squeeze, and down. One more time. Explode up, squeeze, and down. I want you to do that for 15 reps on each arm. Take a minute break in between each one. Then do it again on both. And I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.